Watch this. They're getting ready for a nap. And I can't video from inside the room because then they'll move. Gavin's busy reading a book by his crib. Liam's also busy reading a book on his bed. Pretty cute. I wonder what he's reading.